Welcome back to the Power of Breath workshop. Today is day number 3, and I'm your guide, Trista. Today we're going to be exploring the pranayama, Bhramari. Bhramari loosely translates to bee's breath. And it is called this because it is a type of vibrating or humming breath, similar to the buzzing of a bee. So this is a focused humming breath, and it can be done with hand positions or without. Today we're just going to explore the humming part of it. Let's give it a try. Sitting nice and tall, spine nice and straight, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. Again, you can keep your eyes open or you can close them, whatever feels comfortable for you. Just take a few breaths to tune into your body, nice and easy, breathing through the nose and out through the nose. You can use Ujjayi breath if you've been practicing. I'll demonstrate one round of Bhramari for you now. You're going to inhale using the Ujjayi, so restricting in the back of the throat, and then exhaling with the mouth closed in a hum, and it sounds like this. Let's try it together. Sitting nice and tall, spine straight, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, hum. Let's take that twice more. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale, hum. Inhale. Exhale, hum. Now let's take that and shift the tone of our vibration a little higher. You can match my tone or just do the tone that feels natural to you. Let's take 3 more breaths, shifting our tone slightly higher. Inhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Once more. Inhale. Exhale. Let's take it one more time. Once again, shifting the tone slightly higher, and just notice as you're shifting that tone and that vibration, if you notice that it resonates anywhere in your body. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but just see if you notice anything. 3 more breaths, slightly higher pitch. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So I encourage you to play with this breath, this Bhramari breath, shifting the tone of your vibration, your hum, either down or up, and maybe play around with focusing it into a specific part of the body and just play around with it and see what it feels like. I hope you enjoyed today's class. As always, if you have any questions or if you want to leave any feedback on how you felt, please leave me a comment and I will definitely respond. I will see you all again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.